Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete inventory adjustment in QuickBooks Online. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you actually have the right plan or the right version of QuickBooks Online so that you will be able to actually proceed to the next steps. And again, and also to see the features that you need. And okay, so once you're here, again log into your account, your QuickBooks Online if you already have one. And after logging in, you will see sales or expenses on your left panel. So it should be right here. So just go ahead and click that and then click products and services. And then you will adjust your quantity and value. And after that, you will just have to find the inventory adjustment to delete, and then you will click view or edit, and then after that you will just have to click more and then click delete and then confirm deletion. And after that, QuickBooks will remove the adjustments from your inventory records. And by the way, only delete if necessary. Otherwise, consider reversing the adjustment to maintain audit trail. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.